What's up, guys? My name is Mateo. This is my 1999 Chevy Astro. I'm actually going to be starting full-time van life this weekend. So today we're going to do a bit of spring cleaning. Y'all want to help? So guys, it's been super rainy this entire week. Today's the first day where it's not like pouring down. So today I'm going to clean the van because, like I said, we're starting full-time van life. Hopefully this weekend. But the van is a mess and it's not at all ready to go in full time. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, it is a mess. Oh boy. And like I said, it's been raining like crazy and the carpet is wet. So I gotta take this entire thing out. Yeah, all the clothes in here is soaking wet, and so is the bottom of the box. Man, it's completely soggy in there. Oh man, that sucks. I really like this box. I'm gonna see if I can air it out though and dry it out. I mean, it still smells good. So yeah, I'll see what I can do with it. This tiny van fits so much stuff. Like, I have 2 different chairs, a TV, and like, this van fits everything. It's really crazy. So it rained so hard, the color from the carpet bled into the actual floor. Like, the floor doesn't even feel that wet. It's just this part is very wet. So I need to wash this. By the way, thank you guys so much for like tuning in, because I was really dreading doing this, but vlogging it makes it feel like it's more of like a group project, if that makes any sense. It makes it feel like I called some people over and I was like, hey, I'm gonna be moving full time into my van. Can you come help me? And here you guys are. So thank you guys for being here, because vlogging makes everything more fun. It really does. Like, before, like this time last year before I was vlogging, if I had to just like clean out my car, I'd be like, but today it's like I said, it feels like I need to like crack open like some kombuchas and like grab some chips. We're having like a little get together. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. I put the box up there hoping that it will like air dry. Yeah, it's still wet, but yeah, hopefully it will air dry up there. Now I got the carpet out. It is time to get all the dirt and everything out of here. And yeah, there's a lot to do. I gotta get rid of everything I can't take. Ah, man. All right, let's get started. So I'm in the van cleaning. UPS guy pulls up and gives me a package. I'm just assuming it's, I mean, I didn't realize it was for me. Dude, are you serious? Okay, first off, before I go to my thank yous, you guys do not have to get me anything. You guys do not have to send me anything. You guys do not have to get anything off of my Amazon gift list. I put my Amazon gift list there because like a good month and a half into posting, somebody commented asking if I had one. So I just thought, sure, let me just create one, just for if someone wants to get something, or even to help if you're doing van life and you check it out and see something that you would like to have too, and get it for yourself. I just wanted to have it there because somebody asked me for it. I put things on there things that were extremely cheap that I didn't expect anybody to get me, and then things that were more expensive that I still didn't expect anybody to get me. So the fact that Margot, thank you very much. You just commented. I just realized that you can actually check notes on Amazon gift lists, because I've never done a gift list before this one. So I didn't realize that when you guys get something, it could leave a note so I can know your names. So that's really cool. So I just got this, and I went on the app, and I was like, there has to be a way to see who did this, because this is like insane. And I saw that it left a note, and Margot said that she saw my video because I was talking about Joanna Newsom, and she was watching Joanna Newsom videos, so she stumbled upon my videos somehow. I don't even know how that worked because I didn't have Joanna Newsom tagged in my video, but however that worked, it's really dope that it did. Thank you so much for this, Margot. I'm gonna use this to start making music. I haven't been able to make music because the desktop that I have, I don't have anything to power it. It has all my music on there, but like all I have is the 300 watt, and it's not strong enough to power it. But this is like all I really need. I can start working on my music again. So thank you so much, Margot. I appreciate that so much. Hopefully you are enjoying the videos. Hopefully you all are. Again, you guys do not owe me anything. I started this channel because I wanted to document what I'm doing, and it's been growing into this amazing community. So I'm very thankful for all of you guys. I don't really know what else to say. Thank you guys so much. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, we got some good news. This thing's already starting to dry and seems to be getting its strength back, so hopefully we can still use it. Awesome. Also, the van is just about emptied out. Still gotta get some trash and stuff out. And sweep or vacuum. I don't have a vacuum. Someone have to sweep this out a little bit, but it's stained, which actually kind of looks a little cool. But it's not that wet anymore. It's wet right here and towards the back right there. But everything else is dry. And yeah. Does anybody know what kind of tree this is? It's really pretty. It smells really good too. Let me know if you know what that is. Is that a tulip? Or, I don't know, like a geranium? I don't know what either of those flowers really look like, but that's also a very pretty plant. All right, so this is disgusting. I guess a water bottle leaked in here on top of a purple incense, and it created this disgusting looking sludge in my compartment here. Oh, it's gross. I have no idea how I'm gonna clean that up. So there's no vacuum to use, but I took the pole off of this broom, so I'm trying to use that. Hopefully we can get this van pretty clean. We'll see. the floor may be stained, but it is very clean right now. It's probably the cleanest that it's been since I bought it, because I actually like really swept and got everything out. The stains are gonna stay there. I don't really mind the stains. They kind of look cool. Looks like I spilled like Fruit Loops or something on the floor, but yeah. So I swept it out. What else do we have to do? Finished doing our laundry, and then we will put everything back in there and get ready to hit the road full time. So yeah, feeling kind of nervous, but yeah, I got you guys, so there's nothing to be afraid of. So we got this, yeah? Before you guys go, if you guys have been longtime watchers of this channel, you would know that whenever I try to open this door, this slide door, I have to open up this hatch right here and open it up that way because it won't open from the inside. Until I just realized that there's a child lock right there that it is taking me, I think I've had this van for like 6 months now. So I must be a child. Because I had no idea that that was even a thing until one day I was just like looking. It was like 3 days ago. I was just like in the back and I saw it. And I felt so stupid because every time I open the door from the inside, I have to stick my hand through. And it's so tedious. And this whole time I could have. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that, because if you watch my first vlog, I think one of my first few vlogs, whenever I open that door, I stick my hand out. And it even says, I'm also just now seeing this for the first time. I don't pay a lot of attention to stuff, clearly, but yeah, guys. So I think I'm gonna cut the video there. And I'm going to finish doing the rest of my chores for the van. And then this might be a 2-parter episode. So if I'm cutting it here, you'll get the other part on Sunday. And you'll probably get me leaving on Sunday as well. If not, then the rest of the video will come in here. So yeah, till next time, guys.